Hi everyone, and thank you for joining me here on my YouTube channel. I've got another fun project to show you guys in this video, but before I share the fun project, I would like to welcome all of my new subscribers here to my channel, and for those that have been enjoying my videos as well. So I do appreciate it, and thank you so much for leaving me lovely comments and enjoying my videos. But I've got here another fun project, and it's another Happy Mail idea for you if you like to add some Happy Mail gifts to your packaging. It's also another great way to make for favors or party favors or treat bags, and then you just attach it to these really cute little paper straws, and you just place your goodies in these self-seal bags, and then you can have fun decorating these straws and add extra goodies as well, like I've done here. So I'm going to show you the projects that I've made here, and then I'm going to show you also how to put one together as well. But this one here is the first one that I've made. It's really fun to make, and I've got in here these crepe paper bows that I've made, and I did a tutorial on how you can make these, and I'll put the link down below. And I also added this really cute tassel charm dangle that I'd made, and this can also be part of the gift. All they need to do is just take out the clasp, and then they can attach this to their other projects or to their planners. You can also add a paper clip that I've also made here, and that can become a gift. Then I turn this over, and then on the back here is the opening of the clear bag, and they just open that up, and then they can take out the gifts. And then you can reuse this packaging idea again if you would like. And then I've just embellished the whole straw with some of these cute little animal dye and flower dyes, and then I've attached that to a crochet string. And these animal dyes that I've got here that you're going to see on each of these projects are by Coco and Reno's April die and stamp kit, which is their minis April die kit. And you get a whole heap of these really cute little different shapes and animals, and I think there's like over 30 pieces in there. So there's like a rabbit, there's a little doggy, there's a butterfly, sunglasses, the sun, top hat. I'll put the link to their website if you would like to become a monthly subscriber to Coco and Reno's monthly kits as well. They have some wonderful kits every month for you to use in your projects. But that was the first one that I showed you, and this is the other one. And then for party favors, you can use these little clear bags and add some chocolates, some lollies, and then you can just add a little banner tag like I've got here, and they can put their name on the front of it. So this is just another really cute idea. I had so much fun making these. And I've got here some trim, and that's the back. This is a little bird, and these are the flowers, and I've just glued them back to back and added a little bead. So I thought this is just a great way if you have paper straws and you don't know what to do with them. So these are the straws that I used. I did also another video on what else you could do with these straws and add them to embellishments to add dimension to your paper layering. So I'll also put the video to that down below. And these straws that I've got, they're really sturdy, so they don't bend easily, so they're nice and strong. But these tassels are so cute, and these tassels are available in my store, and you get a random pack of 2 like this if you would like to purchase these, and then you can keep one for your projects, and you can either gift one to a crafty friend. You can add these into your planners as well. So I've got that listed in my store. But let's go ahead, and I'm going to show you how to put one of these gift packaging onto your straws if you have the straws. So you will need a self-clear seal bag like I've got here. You can purchase these on eBay or AliExpress or at your discount store. But the size that I've got here, if you're wanting to know what I used, it's a 2 1/4 by 2 3/4 inches. So it's 2 1/4 lengthways by 2 3/4 in height, or it's 6 centimeters by 7 centimeters. So they're the packaging size that I used. And then you need a straw, and I've already got my little packaged goodies here to show you how to put it together. You'll also need a little piece of scrap paper that I've cut at 1 3/4 by 1 3/4, and then you'll want to put some double-sided tape to the back of one side. And you just need some little bits and pieces for your embellishing as well. So I've got here just I've got my tassel, and I've got a jump ring and a heart and my word banner and a pom-pom to add to the top of the straw. If you don't have any pom-poms and you want to also decorate the top of the straw, you can also just press that down and flatten the top part of the straw, and you can just punch out some of your a heart, or like a heart shape on your paper punch or any shape, and then you can place that on the top and then just staple it to the top of the straw, and that will decorate the top of your straw as well. So that's just another idea for you. So what we're going to do first, we're going to grab your pom-pom and we're going to place it on top of the straw first. And I'm just going to use some of my liquid glue to do that. So I just place a little bit on the top. And then grab your pom-pom and just sort of sit it on there and let it adhere to the top. So that should stick in a few seconds. So while that's trying to set, you want to then, what shall we do? She'll grab the ring first and slide your jump ring to the bottom of the straw and set it up on the top there like that. So we'll just leave that there. So what we're going to do now, you're going to grab your little piece of your paper, you're going to peel off the back where you have your double-sided tape, and then you grab your packaging, and then what you want to do here on the bottom part of the closure, you want to place the paper just below the closure, not over it, otherwise you're not going to be able to open the packaging. So you just want to place it just below, about that much in, and press down onto that part of your packaging, and then you're going to turn that over. You're going to grab your straw and you're going to just line it where you'd like to line it. I just like one about there, and then you're just going to just roll it a little bit so that it sits onto the double-sided tape, and then you're just going to swing that around, and you're going to, you're going to adhere that to the packaging, and then try and make sure that's all pressed onto the straw. That way it won't slide up and down onto the straw, and then you'll have that all nicely joined up. And then you have here the little jump ring. I think I got mine a little too high. Then you've got that jump ring there. I think I got mine a little too high, but just push it down a bit, that's fine. Yeah, you don't want it too high, otherwise your ring won't have room to move. And then you can place this on there now, but we'll put that last. And then what I've got here is I've got a little heart and the banner that I've already put together. I'm just going to place that onto the front of my heart. You don't have to do this, you can decorate it however you like, but I'm just going to show you how I've done mine. I'm just going to grab a glue dot and just place it on the back of that. Just place that there, and then I'm going to place this just like that. So I'm going to just grab some more glue dots. These glue dots are really strong. So I'm just going to sit that just like that. And I'm going to grab this little rabbit or bunny. I'm just going to put some glue and then just place it on top of the heart. It just decorates this a little bit more. Again, you just embellish your straw however you like, but that's all there is to that. And then I'm just going to clip my little tassel to the jump ring. If I can get that on there. Oops. There we go. And that is how I package my goodies. And then down the bottom here, which I've got here, I've just wounded some crochet string, just winding it around and then just tying a bow, and then finishing at the bottom with some more little paper shapes and gluing that down there. So that's just one way you can package your goodies. You could also add another packaging on the bottom here if you like, if you want to add another one. But I just think these are just so fun to make, and they look so colourful, and you can still add a few other goodies to the straw like I have here as well. So I do hope you enjoy this really fun project packaging idea, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.